Good morning. No. Got it. Happy Monday, Greyhounds. Hope you had a good time grad class at the all-nighter, and great job to the girls rugby team at Ruggers Challenge this weekend. For grade 9 students who registered for IB French 10 for next year, please see Miss Lutz in room 101 at lunch on Thursday, April 14th. Key Club will be having a Miracle Minute at the Assembly on Wednesday, April 20th, so bring some change. April 20th in the Plaza, there will be a spring barbecue from 12:20 to 1 o'clock with $2 for burgers. Grade 11 students interested in studying at UMBF, please sign up in the Guidance Center for a day tour. Spaces are limited to 25 students. St. John High's food drive will be running for the whole month of April. This is a high need time for local food banks, so please donate. The class that donates the most food will win a pizza party. Collection will be in A block classes. There's a 1,000 item goal, and it's from now until April 29th. Red and Gray Day is April 20th. Remember to wear red and gray. April 29th is Hawaiian Dress Up Day, so dress up in your best Hawaiian clothing. And there will be Hawaiian pizza outside the cafe for $1. This is also Red and Gray #Play Day. The entrance is only $5 for lots of fun. Everyone should come. With the grade 12 students, please go to the office during the next couple of weeks to check the spelling of your name for the graduation diploma.
And you've got the face on, and yeah, I'm sorry.